Hello. So today I'm going to be taking you through how to upload content to your Blackboard directly from your OneDrive. Now, this is going to be from your personal OneDrive, just to note, not from a shared OneDrive. There are two main ways you can do this, and we will start with the first one, which is to add a link. So first you're going to go to your OneDrive, and you're going to find the document that you want to upload. So I want to upload this study room policies. I'm going to go to these three little dots right next to it, copy link. And then I'm also going to go to this anyone with link can edit and click on that. Now I'm going to change can edit down here to can view. This is so that when you do give this link out, your students can't actually change anything about it. They can just view it and download it. So we're going to click apply. Now I'm going to copy this link, click copy, and we're going to head back to Blackboard. You're going to click this little plus, click create, and then link. Now where it says link URL, that's where you're going to paste your link. And if you want to make sure you have the right one, you can click this little sort of circle icon, and it'll actually show you and make sure that you have the right one. And I'm going to call it study room policies. And save. Then I'm going to make it visible to students so they can see it. And then now when I click on this link, it takes me right to this page. The other way that you can upload is through the cloud. So you're going to just from Blackboard, click this plus icon, then cloud storage. Click on OneDrive. And I'm already signed in. It'll probably make you sign into your OneDrive, but here we are on my OneDrive and I want to upload this case. So I click on it and then I click select and then I click import. And it's going to take a second, but then it's uploaded as if it were a document. And if I click on it, it's like a regular PDF document. From here, I can edit the title. So let's say I just don't want this .pdf in there. And then I can click out. Now I also wanted to show you how to move these two documents into a folder. So if I have my folder here and I clicked on it, or you can do this drop arrow, then I'm just going to click and hold and drag the two documents into that space below the folder. And now both of these are within my folder. Okay, so that's going to be it. If you have any questions, you can contact law library help at udc.edu. And thank you so much.